Hello, this is Greg in for KGL. I'm at Indian Pass Campground in Gulf County, Florida. We're camping tonight. Tomorrow we'll be going to St. Vincent Island, and our campsite is right on the salt water. That's just where I like to be because I'm a believer in the saltwater effect. And we have our Bravo 7K vertical here, of course, right on the saltwater. And so I couldn't be happier with this location. I'm camping here with a Phil N4STC and Ron KK4DWE and Bob KK4DIV. And so this is our campsite over here. And Ron also has a vertical out today. So it's sunny weather, not too hot. So we're just going to enjoy this and go activate St. Vincent Island and for Parks on the Air and the one-day getaway for U.S. islands. And this is Ron over here, KK4DWE. He's got his Go Box with a Yaesu FTA97 radio.
Listening to the 7.192 now.
Awesome.
Trying to get checked in.
And a bio in it, NO battery. This is Phil N4STC.
Hello.
He's got his field day shirt on. He's ready for field day. And our rig, we brought the ICOM 7300. And we made a couple of contacts on 40 meters, including another park, well, Parks on the Air up in Tennessee. And our accommodations, we have a tent cot, and it's got screens. It's all we need. It's very easy to set up. So we'll have a comfortable evening tonight, and we'll head out to St. Vincent Island on the shuttle tomorrow and see how we do. We'll have 3 or 4 transmitters going, and we'll be under call sign W4RYZ, which is for the Panama City Amateur Radio Club.